hands up real quick. Put your hands up real quick. Hands up, all the way up. One step out real quick and face away from us. Face away from us. You're alright, you're alright. Do me a favor and take about 4 steps back for me, okay? To the rear of the car. Rear of the car. Keep walking back. Walk back, walk back, walk back. Stop right there. Face away from me, okay? Alright, do me a favor. Lift the back of your shirt up, okay? Alright, turn around, look down at the ground and keep turning. Keep turning, keep turning, keep turning, keep turning, keep turning, keep turning. Alright, walk backwards, alright, with your hands in the air. Back with your hands in the air. Back, 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 back. Towards the sound of my voice. Walk back. Walk back over here, okay? Keep walking back. Walk back, walk back, walk back. You want to take over?
Hey, go ahead and face the SUV right there for me, man. Go ahead and back up to the sound of my voice. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. Come on. Come on. Come on. All right, go ahead and get down on both knees for me. Hands behind your back. Yeah. Like your friend. Like your friend. Alright, that's my stepson. You're good, man. Go to the back of this car, okay?
Hey, just walk straight back, okay? Straight back, just walk backwards. You're fine. It's all alright, just keep walking backwards.
Carter, if you want to keep coverage on him, I got the car.
Okay. Walk back, keep walking back. I need some hands on the right. Walk back to the right. Back to the right, back right, stay right there. Alright, keep walking back, so step you right here, okay? Alright, stay right there. Get right there. Alright, good with me. Get my hand. Alright, you said that's it, Colson.
Okay.
Anybody else in the car? Exit now!
Are you good? And yeah. No, it's removing.